Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Candlewood Suites Baytown, an IHG hotel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 1 swimming pool, pet-friendly, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms, free parking and a tea/coffee maker in all rooms. Only minutes from San Jacinto Monument and other area attractions. This all-suite property located in Baytown, Texas is pet-friendly and provides a fully equipped kitchen in each guest suite. The Candlewood Suites Baytown provides free on-site laundry facilities. Shop for snacks at the on-site convenience store or work out in the on-site fitness center. After a day of sightseeing, relax and watch the in-room cable television. Many local restaurants are within walking distance of the Baytown Candlewood Suites. The historic Battleship, Texas and Baytown Historical Museum are easily accessible. Take advantage of the numerous activities including golfing, shopping and fishing, all available a short distance from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.